Hi friends, this is your lesson 24 exit ticket. So just like we did in our example that we did together and then you saw in your learning video, you have a word problem right here. I want you to draw your picture, okay? And then I want you to write a number sentence to match and then solve for the missing part, okay? So they're going to give you the whole and they're going to give you one of the parts and you need to solve for the missing part, okay? Again, make sure you have a picture, make sure you have a number sentence to match, and then your answer at the end. Okay, here's your word problem. There were 18 dogs splashing in a puddle. Some dogs left. There are 9 dogs still splashing in the puddle. How many dogs are left? Okay, I'm going to read it one more time. There were 18 dogs splashing in a puddle. Some dogs left. There are 9 dogs still splashing in the puddle. How many dogs are left? Okay, friends, draw a picture, write a number sentence to match, and solve for your missing part.